What is informed consent in dental cases? My name is George Tate. I'm an attorney in Salt Lake City, and we've been representing people that have been harmed by their dentist for over 20 years. We're happy to help you. Ethically, morally, and legally, dentists are required to properly inform their patients. Informed consent allows people to determine their own medical destiny. In order to do that, they have to be fully informed about the risks that can happen as a result of the proposed procedure. Does every single risk have to be laid out? No. But oftentimes, there is not full informed consent. We see consents all the time. And I printed one out here that I want to share with you. And it's a little long, but I'm going to read it to you. Something you should never, ever sign. So here it goes. I do voluntarily assume any and all possible risks, including the risk substantial and serious harm, if any, which may be associated with general preventive and operative treatment procedures in hopes of obtaining the potential desired results, which may or may not be achieved for my benefit or the benefit of my minor child or ward. I acknowledge that the nature and purpose of the foregoing procedures have been explained to me if necessary, and I have been given the opportunity to ask questions. Wow. Negligence, of which we often sue for, boils down to something that dentists should or should not have done. So when you assume all the risk, when you sign a document, something like this, you are assuming all of the risks, presuming that the care meets the standard of care, that the dentist performs the care according to a standard. If he's negligent, he's negligent, regardless of what this says. Although this informed consent document that the dentist may ask you to sign puts the burden on you for assuming all of the risk. Never, ever sign a document like this. Word of wisdom. A short story. Elderly gentleman. Had his wisdom teeth all his life. Goes in to see his dentist for a little bit of pain in the bottom of his mouth. Dentist says the wisdom tooth has to come out. The older fella says, "Okay, doc, take it out." He takes it out. The dentist does. And he injures the lingual nerve that runs on the inside of your jaw on the bottom there, that innervates or operates your tongue. Didn't tell the old fella that could happen. And as a result, the gentleman came to us. We looked into the case. The lingual plate was burst open. The soft tissue was all damaged because of the burr. And it was a viable case. And we settled that case. So that's what happens. Don't sign waivers or informed consent that place the burden on you for assuming the risk. The dentist has to perform to the standard of care regardless, but you don't want to make battles you don't have to fight. Any dentist that is requiring you to sign an informed consent that says that you assume the risk is not operating all above board, in my opinion. You should find another dentist. Happy to talk to you. If you think you have a dental malpractice case, reach out to us. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Don't sign consents that assume the risk, that place the burden of the risk on you. Take care. Read these documents you sign.